CG100X not connecting after update? Fix it fast with this step-by-step solution. Hey everyone, Hussain here, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate playground for everything automotive diagnostics and programming tools. Before we kick things off, a quick heads up. This video is for educational purposes only. We use images, clips, and demonstrations fairly to guide and inform, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer instructions and local laws when working on vehicles. Quick question for you. Have you ever updated your CG100X only to find it won't connect, leaving you frustrated and stuck? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. And hey, let's make this fun. Can we hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within 24 hours? If you love this video, hype it in the comments. It's free, and it really helps push this video up the charts. Let's dive in. So, you just updated your CG100X, and now it refuses to connect. Don't panic. This is a common issue, and the solution is straightforward if you follow the steps carefully. Step 1. Power reset. First, disconnect everything from your CG100X. Take a moment, breathe, and then plug in a 12V2A power supply for a few seconds. This gives the unit a little wake-up call. After that, reconnect your USB cable and open the CG100X software. Step 2. Check and fix in settings. Once the software is running, go to Settings, then About, and click Check and Fix. This option scans your system for any software glitches caused by the update and repairs them automatically. Step 3. Install drivers. Still in Settings About, click Install Drive. This ensures that your computer recognizes the CG100X correctly, which is especially important after a fresh update. Missing or corrupted drivers are often the main culprit behind connection issues. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Next, navigate to Settings, Network, and try changing the server area one by one. After each change, restart the software and attempt to connect again. Different servers sometimes resolve compatibility issues, particularly if the update has regional settings conflicts. Important note, if you've tried all these steps and your CG100X still won't connect, don't worry. There's one more thing you should do before contacting technical support. Gather the following information. Which version of Windows you're using, Windows 7 or Windows 10. Record a short video showing your CG100XS LED lights when plugging in the 12V power and USB. Providing this information helps tech support troubleshoot faster and more accurately. Remember, these steps are simple but powerful. By following them carefully, you can bring your CG100X back to life and avoid unnecessary downtime. And there you have it. If you followed along, your CG100X should now be connecting smoothly after the update. Personally, I always recommend power cycling and driver checks first. These small steps solve most connection issues and save you hours of frustration. Now, I want to hear from you. Did this fix work on your unit, or do you still need help? Drop your experiences in the comments, and let's solve problems together. Fun fact before you go. Did you know that a simple 12V power reset like this is a standard troubleshooting trick used across many automotive diagnostic tools, not just the CG100X? It's like giving your tool a little coffee break to wake up properly. Finally, don't forget our challenge. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in 24 hours. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell, share this video with your friends, and hype it up in the comments. It really makes a difference. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.